Gotta pump these boys up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you thought this was flavor. Yeah. All right, look, I'm a little late. It's 9:55 currently when I'm filming this. I am at Anytime Fitness. I'm at the gym. I'm about to get my workout in. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of play or footage from the inside. I did not get started early today. I had a really wild day, a bunch of stuff that I had to handle work-wise. However, did eat really clean. This morning I only had a smoothie. Yes, clap it up for your boy. Only had a smoothie. Lunchtime I had my meal prep, which consisted of like a little bit of rice, green beans, and broccoli. That's it. So that was the meal. Dinner, what the hell did I eat? Oh, dinner I had broccoli, onions, and rice. That was dinner. Fire, phenomenal. It was really good. But I was like, I gotta work out. I'm not playing this missing workout stuff. I'm really, really tired. And I'm like, I don't care. I'm pushing through. I'm going in this gym. I'm gonna do my cardio. And I'm gonna do my, I'm gonna do my cardio. And then I'm gonna also go in there and I'm gonna do some strength training. I'm gonna work on arms today. Gotta pump these boys up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you thought this was flavor. Yeah. That's muscle, vegan muscle. I ain't had animal protein in like 8 years now. So I'm still, you know what I'm saying? I'm still good, but I just need to tone up. I need to tone and tighten, get a little bit of the wiggles off, and I'll be happy. I'll be fine. But anyway, let me show y'all some of the stuff from inside. We on day 3 of this Veganuary journey, and I'm trying to be raw and authentic. Like, I could have batched all these videos and put it together, but I want y'all to follow this fitness journey with me. So, you know, at the end of 30 days, y'all can see the weight transformation if you just do the right stuff. I'm trying to tell y'all what I had. I'm gonna show y'all what I had, but I kind of messed up today. I'm gonna show y'all what I had. I'm gonna charge my other phone up so that I can make sure that I'm getting footage of what I'm actually eating. Cause right now I'm just asking y'all to take my word for it. But anyway, I'm going to this gym. Check me out. It's going on 11 o'clock and I just got home. I finished the workout. Workout was pretty intense. I did biceps today, so all biceps. Remember I told you I was working on it. This is tight too. I know it might look like fluff, but it's tight. But it was like all biceps. I got to work on my form a little bit. I wasn't feeling my form. I didn't record as much as I wanted to. There's a lot of people in the gym. I go to this gym all the time, and it's not that many people that's normally in there this time of day. And I didn't want to mess with anybody's progress because it's a smaller gym. And some people just getting started working out again, and I didn't want them to think that I was recording them. I'll work on that. I'll do better next time, trust me. But anyway, I appreciate y'all being along with me on this journey because I really need the help. And don't forget, Monday we're weighing in. Every single Monday I'll do the weigh-in and show the weight so you guys can see it and you can track what I'm doing. Tomorrow's gonna be a lot more. I'm gonna show you the food I eat. I'll show you my breakfast smoothie. I'll show you lunch, dinner. Tomorrow I'm actually eating good. The Ravens are playing the Browns and I need to have my little, my meal. Not gonna go crazy, but I have maybe a pizza or something like that. And then, I'm gonna just do like a 2-hour gym session to counteract what I did. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. Eat grass, not ass. Subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Keep the comments coming. Y'all are helping me out so much and keeping me motivated. This is what I do it for. If y'all need Veganuary tips, don't forget to look back at some of the older videos that show you how to stick with this vegan diet. We on season 7 right now or season 8. I don't even know. I lost track. See you in the next video. Peace.